So the value equation has two areas on top, or two items on top of the line, and two factors or value proposition components on the bottom. And so the idea here is it's just like a fraction, and this is not going to be a huge math lesson. But the idea here is the two things on top, we want to get those as high as possible. We want to increase them. And the two things on the bottom, the two factors on the bottom, we want to decrease them as much as possible. So for example, if it was 1 over 1, that's 1 divided by 1, that equals 1. Well, if we take the top portion of this equation and we double it, we make that 2. Now we have 2 over 1, which is 2, right? Hopefully everybody's following that mathematical analogy. But the other thing we can do is we can take that number 1 that's on top. If we make the bottom number smaller, and let's make it a half. So now if it's 1 over 1/2, that still equals 2. So the way we can do this is increase the top. If we double the top, if we make it 2 over 1/2, now we have a value of 4. So we're increasing the value by increasing the two factors on top and decreasing the two factors on the bottom. And the two factors on top are dream outcome, right? What is the promise of the offer, right? So we want to raise the dream outcome. So let's say our product is a course that teaches people how to make $10,000. That's great. How do we increase that dream outcome? Well, maybe we say this will help you make $10,000 a month, right? That's obviously better than just $10,000. So we just increase the dream outcome. What if it's how to make $100,000 a month, right? And it doesn't have to just be monetary, but you see, the higher we increase that dream outcome, right? How to make $10,000 a month and quit your job, right? Now we're making the outcome sexier.